Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host, James. Today is going to be another amazing cook. I mean, we're not far. We're right around the corner from spring. It's coming up. You gotta start thinking about the burgers and the steaks and the ribs and dogs and everything that you're gonna be cooking outside. And today we're gonna be, cooking something to go along with that. We're gonna be doing jalapeno poppers, and we're gonna be doing these on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. Here's a sneak peek, check it out. Alright guys, so this is what we got. We actually had 6 regular jalapenos, and we just sliced them in half. Super simple, just like this. Slice them in half and pit them out. You can use a spoon or your finger or whatever you like, and just go ahead and get all of the seeds and everything out, just like that. And if the stem's on there, leave the stem on there. It's just like a handle to eat your popper. Alright guys, after we got as many as you want pitted, all the seeds and everything taken out, I just got some cream cheese here, and obviously use as much cream cheese as you need, and you can use a spoon if you want, but you just want to get a little bit of cream cheese in there. Oop, just like that. You don't want to fill it too much, but just like that, right to just right before the top. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. Alright, we got all of our poppers filled, and you want to fill them, you don't want to overfill them, you just want to fill them just probably right below where the jalapeno popper, top of the jalapeno is. So, alright, let's move on to the next step. Alright, now here guys, we got the cream cheese and everything on. You can use any seasoning you want if you want to. You don't have to if you don't like. I just got some coarse black pepper. And it's going to be just a little sprinkle, literally, just right across the top of this. You can use barbecue rub. You can use whatever you like. Just put a little bit of whatever you like on there, or nothing at all. It is up to you. Now, our next thing is bacon. Alright, now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start from the back here, just one, and you want to buy the thin cut bacon. You don't want the thick cut, more expensive stuff, and then just wrap it. Oops. Just like this. Overlap a little bit. Just like that. And you have your popper. Alright, I'm going to finish the rest of these off camera, and we'll be right back with you. Okay, we have our poppers all done. They're all finished. Just like that, all wrapped. Now, let's go ahead and we're going to throw them in the fridge for about 20 minutes and let them firm up a little bit. Alright guys, with the air fryer, and I can actually, out of the 12, I can only fit 11 of them on, but that's fine. This thing comes with 3 racks, so I can easily do 36 to probably 40 of them. Let's open this up. We're going to set this on the middle rack, just like that. Turn it on. We're going to do 325 degrees for 10 minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes. Alright guys, there's 10 minutes. Let's take a look and see what's going on. They're looking good. We're going to simply rotate it just like this. Just 180 degrees. And throw them right back in the middle rack. 325 for another 10 minutes. Alright guys, that's 20 minutes total. Let's see what we ended up with. I can hear it sizzling. I'm not sure if you guys can, but I'm excited to see what happened. Oh my gosh. These things. Whew. See them sizzling? Let's meet you over at the cutting board. I can't wait to try these. They look phenomenal. See you in a minute. Alright y'all, this is what we ended up with. Bunch of awesome jalapeno poppers. Give you an idea of what's going on here. I mean, crispy, awesome bacon all the way around. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're gonna bring you right back for a taste test. These are gonna be phenomenal. I've not tried one yet. I'm gonna try one in a minute. All right, guys, the cook is finished. They turned out phenomenal. I did try them in between. I couldn't help myself. I haven't tried with ranch or any dressing yet, but they're phenomenal. Jalapenos are soft. Cream cheese is perfect. I mean, that is an absolute winner. So, if you guys are, or if anybody is new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Don't forget to check out the iCard for all kinds of other videos, for all kinds of other stuff. Enjoy the rest of these. And with that being said, we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.